Tungan. Ako ya dia. Kalau magpadayag mo daw. Ay, manis ang daw.
Log kami, log po.
Ulo. Hi, Lu. Hi! Hala ba? Malang ba?
Dami.
Ay, daw ka kita mo sila sa nang mainit. Kung may mainit.
Mainit?
Sabi ko, tagan mo ako. Bubutang mo lang din sa dagsarasa. Ano, hi, Stephen Chivo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Important to hope you hit the likes. I'm fine. Separate. Hello. Wow, you're so beautiful every day. Thank you, Rajman. Thank you. I appreciate your good compliments. Separate. Sir James. Hello, Sir James. Hello. Where are you from, Sir James? Hello, what's up? I'm from England. Hi, from England. Nice to meet you, Sir James, from England. Hmm? Doon pa daw?
Hindi mo ay dali sa butangan na. Magdali po.
Hi, Edward. Thank you sa likes. Maraming panunod na kukuha pero nagsumubo ka pa rin. Why don't you hit the like button here? Ah, thank you. Hit the like button, everyone. Thank you so much.
Gabi ang dapat ha.
so much. Oh, nakalimutan. How is your day? Beautiful day, happy day, good day. Today is a good day. Something like that. Gab, magasi daw muna tabian mo. Sorry, magasi daw tabian. Ay, ikaw na, Gab. Magasi daw. Butang mo muna na ano, nasod ko mo. Someday. So balik mo man. How can I excuse me, stop my life to say goodbye? We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You're my soul. Thank you. Hi, JS. Thank you, JS. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Hindi mo malamig. Nabutang ko pa lang yun. Tineta lang ito. Ano? Tineta. Ha? Ha? Pwede ba galit ang boy ng niyo? Buto mo niyo?
Thank you so much, JS. Thanks a lot. God bless. BCD. Hi, Jose. Jose. Sorry, just busy.
Ito ang ito ang islog. Karga. Sa ilaw dito yung mga gusto nito. Okay, minto.
Ang nga ako.
Saga na lang.
Sabi na lang na ako.
Bakal. Hindi naman magamit mo sa bakal? Ha? Dua.
Let's eat!
Bigla. Tutong-tutong na. Yo, tapos na. Wala na. Para makatulong. Tugulan mo lang. Sinala ba? Pero wag gabi na. Yung naman dulong. Sila wala na, mawar-war naman.
Tapos malaba ka na naman.
Paging katulong mo na. Hindi ko makatulong yan. Hindi na ko lang
Masyado kayatang pinaglalaroan ng ano bang meron sa akin na wala ka, you. Pag
I don't know. Hindi kayo ang magpapasya. Kundi sila. Sila na! Amo na! Boy! Ano na yun? O ano ko na lang yung dito? Nakanin.
ha?
Kanin ko ano ko na.
Ano?
May ang kanin ko ano ko na.
Ah.
Hindi na ka lang ka na bulinaw. Pero dito sa kusero, hindi na ka lang bulinaw.
Ha? Kita may ginakagip ano na butinaw. Ngayon? Para daw.
Sana kaagi pa ito na adlaw.
Nakagip pala ko nito. Mama, yung papapidyo na rin kung pwede pa daw ko yung meeting sa August 9.
Ano turog lang nag-iri-iri pa? Sila lang naman. Alam na lang. Ano? Tita. Oh. Ano ba yan?
God. Tres. Cuatro. Piso. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Piso.
Hi, ito just lurking.
Dos. Cuatro. Piso.
Ma, siguro na.
Dos. Tres. Cuatro.
Da!
Siguro ko ito. Ha? Hindi ko yung pagdagan na kalala. Hi, Mama Isa! Oh my God! Tom Success Host. What this? Tuyo! Pritong tuyo na ano. Lilis! Yes!
Huwag ka din masinaraduhan da.
Thank you. Wow, that's delicious. Yes po, Mama Isa. Thank you, Mama Isa, for joining. Spooky. Hi, Spooky. You're welcome. Thank you po. God bless. Have a nice day.
Tas ng musika, hawak mo. Sa tingin, pinagbabagitan.
I always fry it dry, Maya. Masarap. Masarap ang Maya. That's delicious. I sausaw in the kaya nga sausaw sa suka na may sili. Favorite. So, suka na may sili. Masarap. Yummy. Done my coffees, yes. Coffee. Hmm. Complete meal na. Thank you, Ma'am Isa. Thank you so much sa pag-join. Oh my God. Excuse me. Ow. Hello, pig. How are you? Nagiyakan yung mga piglets dito. Bago panganak si pig. Hello, pig. How are you? Naka-translate ka. Yes po. I said house, love life. Ah! Oh my God. Magkaiba pala yung translate. Oh my God. Yung translation. Magkaiba. Okay naman. Stay strong. Stay strong. Wait lang. Tingnan ko dito yung stay strong po ang love life. Tsaka kaya tawag doon? Getting married pretty soon. Pretty soon. I'm engaged. Happy love life. Thank you, Mama Isa. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Kumusta ang pig-ibig? Okay, pig-ibig pala yun. Pig-ibig. My pig-ibig is healthy. My love life is healthy. Good evening, Sir Fred. Oh my God. Me too. Hello. Hello, Raka. Where are you? From Sir Fred. Hello, Sir Fred from Isa. Kumusta? Kumusta? From Isa. Hello, where are you? Hello. Cheryl, going to send you screenshot. Huh? What? Okay, what is that? What? Oh my god. What is one? Screenshot for what? In a while. You can send now. You send now. What is that? Bad news, good news. What is that? Oh my god. Oh, he. Match. Oh, okay. Come on. You can send me now. Oh my god. What happened? What happened to him? You send me now, Sir Fred. Please. What? I like me. Oh my god. I don't want to wait. You send me now. Okay, be right back. I will send them. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my god. Thank you. I'm waiting. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're trying to destroy me? Oh, you send me na. Ano yon? Funny picture. Oh my god. Na ano, someone like my haters. Something like that. Pamaisa. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, he making the story for me. Oh my god. Oh, what the heck? He said he don't say anything about one because he respect them. Oh my god. But he don't respect me. I saw when the first time he joined my life, I always say I'm not single. I'm getting married pretty soon. I'm engaged. And he said, and he knows mine. So I thought he knows about that. Then suddenly he said, "Oh my God." I thought he's just a good. I'm not into winnow share, yes, that's why. Oh my god. For the first times, I always said I'm engaged. Maybe someone are trying to ruin me. Oh my lie. I wanted the Filipinos to see what. Oh my god. He was the only mud on in there. Ah, okay. Oh my God. Harek from Australia. Oh my God. Good evening. So Isa vacation was too short, huh? Good evening, Rek. Good evening po, Idol. Hi, Inget. Ignorante. Grabe naman sa pangalan. Inget. Pikit. Tag-inget. Pikit. Ignorante yung Inget. Rick from Australia. Hello from Australia. Oh my God. Hi, thank you, Rick. From Australia. Oh my God. Are you sure? Are you from Australia? Are you sure? Yes, Fred. Only 21 days. Oh, wow. At least you visit here in the Philippines again, Mama Isa. No worries, Cheryl. At least he not in your channel no more, yes. I don't like toxic on my channel. Where in Philippines are you host? Luzon, Visayas. Luzon. I'm from Juan. I'm from China. Visayas from I've been to the Philippines a few times. Wow. Where are you here in the Philippines, Rick? Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Not enough, still missing the foods and family. Yes, missing the food. I missing the food. Also the visiting beautiful places here in Philippines. Yes, not enough. Maybe we need to come back again. Yes, this is my YouTube channel. I'm farming channel. Oh yes, that's good, Rick. I'm also a farmer here in Philippines. That good. Oh, yes. I see your phone. I subscribe your channel, Sir Rick. Lol, where? Fred, oh yeah, he should come here. I've been to Cebu, Ormoc, and Leyte, CDO, Davao, and Jinsan. Oh, that's good. Visayas is good. Rick. Cebu is good. Super good. I have a girlfriend and General Santos. Ah, wow, that's good, good. Yes, that's good. Bisaya is good and so pretty. Filipina. I've been to the Philippines 4 times now. Ah, okay po. Sorry. Many town. Excuse me. Many town. Miss Town. I live on the same island with Manis Town pala. Jensen, General Santos is Manis Town. Manny Pacquiao. Thank you for the moderator. Oh, welcome, Sir Rick. Thank you for joining. God bless. Oh my God. Also, the tuna capital of the Philippines. Oh, wow, that's good. Also, the tuna. Wow, the tuna. Yummy tuna. And famous sardines in Dipolog City. Wow. I want to visit Philippines. I haven't been to Dipolog City yet. Maybe next time. Surudu watulupat. Rick, hello from Mama Isa. I have a house there. I'm sorry, Fred. I love Mindanao. Oh, wow, that's good. But in my mountain house at the moment, I have a house there, but in the mountain house at the moment. Thank you for watching, everyone. Fred, you must build a house in the north too. Hehe. I subscribed. Thank you for subscribe, Sir Rick. Thank you so much. Mindanao, not bad, but years ago it was bad. Yes. Yes, I heard. Hi, Sheryl, the Bartman. Hi. I am North Isa. Me, South. Davao City is safe. Okay. Hey, Fred from the Bartman. Certain areas, no. Most Mindanao is safe now. That's good. But yes, you always have to be careful regardless. Hebert came from Sir Fred. Certain areas is wouldn't go to, of course. Yep. Manzi, how are you? I'm good. Thanks, Fred from the Bartman. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes. Oh my god. I'm Darren. Sir Darren. Oh my god, I forgot. Thank you, Sir Darren. Sir Darren from Australia, right? You changed your name. That's good, Bart. Okay. Later sis, I'm going to this store. Good night. Thank you. Thank you, Mama Isa. God bless. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, Mama Isa. I changed my name because of haters and stalkers. Me, I don't change my name because I know myself. I don't do anything to my haters and my bashers. And so my basher and my haters, they always change their name, but me, they always find me. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. They waste time to Kwan. They waste time to find me. They waste time to looking at me, something like that. Let's the hater be haters. Yes. Okay, I'm in Queensland. Yeah, play with them. Yes, that's good. I don't need to change my name. Here, I never change my channel name. Excuse me. Since I started my YouTube channel, I never changed my YouTube channel. Later everyone, anyway, I have premium later 10 p.m. Philippines. Okay, I will visiting your premiere, Mama Isa. Maybe it will 10 p. Oh my god. I hope I'm not yet sleeping. Okay, Rick. Haters are buang. Don't worry about them. Yes. Haters is buang. Buang and baliw. Hi, John. Oh my god. Sorry, John. If you are so handsome, here I don't judge people by their physical. So if you're feeling perfect and you are feeling so handsome, you're not allowed here, okay? Because I'm not like you. I'm not a judgmental by looks, okay? Because a lot of are good looking but their attitude is not good. It's like you. So you're not welcome here. Sorry. Sorry. If you're too much handsome, you're not welcome here. You look like a Brad Pitt, something like that. Yeah, I have a friend. Thank you, Mama Isa. I have a friend who is living in Philippines who married a Filipino who has from Brisbane. Okay, Brisbane. Haters hate because they're jealous and envious. Yes, that's right, Jess. Something like that. Thank you, Mama Isa, for joining. Take care. We're going to stores. More foods, healthy foods, something like that. Okay, Bart, yes. I've been there 4 times now. I've traveled around a bit in other countries. I like the Philippines the most. Oh, wow. Thank you, Sir Rick. I know that you won't leave. This will never met on the day I leave. I've traveled around the world. Thank you. That your words, sir. Yes, that's a very perfect for the haters and the bashers. Something like that. I have a lots of bashers here on YouTube. Oh my god, and I don't know them, and they are too easy to judge me by looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. I have been to the Philippines 3 times and planning on going back to Philippines. in January next year again. As Philippines, people are amazing and friendly and happy people. Oh, thank you, Sir Bart. Sir Darren. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. JS. I will retire one day, but I'm ex-army and on a military pension. I just have to stay here a few years, then I'm gone. Oh my God, that's good, Sir Rick. When you prepare going to, when you retired, living here in the Philippines, move here in the Philippines, or stay there in Australia? What you prepare? Something like that. Something like that. I will do 6 months in each country, then decide from there. Oh my God, a lot of fun. Yeah, something like that. Oh my God. From this, I will retire one day, Bart. I'm ex-army and on a military pension. I have at least a few years, then I'm gone. Okay. I will do 6 months in each country, then the second. Okay. That's good. Thank you, 17 likes. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Sheryl. Hey, I'm back. I'm back. Oh my god. I can't believe people treat me like one. I thought they are nice, talk to me on my YouTube, then talking behind my back, destroying me to other people behind my. Oh my god. Maybe his plan is trying to trick me, something like that, and he have a plan to ruin something. So that's good. That's not good. My wife turns 58 at midnight. Advance happy birthday, Ma'am Cheryl. Oh my god, she old. You know what, Sir Fred? Even his her age is old, but she looks young. But than the other woman, their age is young, but they look too old. Oh my god, terrible. Yarek, I'm planning on retiring to the Philippines next January if I get my way. Wow, Sir Darren, that's good. Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome back to the Philippines. I got lucky she still looks younger, yes. Maybe I need to stay look young because I want Mike to stay with me, stay love with me, stick one with me, and stay unknown with me. I need to stay look young for my Mike. Darren, I retired July 2024 here. Wow, that's great. Welcome to the Philippines. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know, I know. I arrive on July 4th to show the fireworks. Huh? What, Sir Fred? Thank you for the 9 people in the house. Hi Roy, mana yan so magayon. Magayon. Yes, fireworks are July, yes. For like the American Day, July 4th of July. Anthony Williams. Yeah, I have lots of foreigner friends. Thank you, Sir Darwin. Yeah, I have lots of foreigner friends who have retired in the Philippines, and every time I visit, I don't want to leave. Oh my god. Something like that. Yes, America. I love America. Darren, my first time was supposed to be 2 months visit and I stayed 5 years. Oh wow. Hi, Sir Quizlet. Sir Quizlet. Thank you for joining, Sir Quiz. GS Tracker OC are better, Lul. Oh my god. I like also Kwan, the Australian. Australian friends are good too. Some are good, but some are not. Hey, Mr. Man. You're welcome from Sir Chris. I don't know about that, Darren. Yeah. Yeah, some Australian are good, but some are not. Oh my god. I remember one of Australian terrible. I can't explain, but some Australian are good, like Sir Darren. Maybe Sir Rick is good too. There is good and bad in every, yes. Some are good and some are bad. And in various, same here, same Filipino. Some are good and some are bad. But not too lucky, someone I know the Australian is bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so bad. Also bitter at what? Losing your QQ, right? Ah! Yes. As speaking, I'm bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know, Sir Fred, I don't like to kuhan. I distance to toxic people, bad people, something like. We don't need pew pew because we just throw stones, lul. Pew pew. We threw pea balls. Pea balls. Haha. Football. True love. You are my all dream. Thank you so much to those who lurking. Thanks a lot. I'm alright. People is really small stone, Cheryl. Ah, yes, the feeble, something like that. Feebles, yeah, I know. But good stones. The feeble. Thank you so much. Hit the likes. Thanks a lot. Okay, have a good night. I will go shower. Okay, Sir Fred, good night. Thank you for joining. Take your time. Bye-bye. Hope and I pray someday. See ya, Fred. Thank you, Jess. Blush. Yeah, I'm going as I start work at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. I love your channel. Thank you, Bash. Thank you, Bash. Thank you so much, Bash. Thank you, Bash. Bash. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait. I'm from Canada. Oh my God. Thank you from Canada. Wait lang. I just buy something. Wait lang. For watching. Oh my. Hello, I have something you can kiss. Oh my God. Thank you, Jess, Louisa. Thank you so light. Lang, wait. Siriway kami. Thank you so much for watching.
Kay tulong na sila. Bigyan ko lang nga dito. Ito, balik mo. Kaluwas ang available. Hindi, mas mura ka pa yun sa din pa. Hindi, maganda. Para sa Jover. Ang patuloy ba ganyan yung kaya sabi ko gugulo si Gordo ka ba yung magkakaulong sila. Sa unahan sila. Saan part kayo nito? Matapos ba ng liko? Kaya na. Nagmamo kayo dito kami sa hindi nyo ba dito sa ano sabi mo? Kung na po yun. Hindi ko na nag-grill sa dati. Ang kami steady lang. Ikot-ikot muna. Kasi ginalaw. Doon ako nalilipat ko kasi siyempre kayo siya ng bata. Dapat tayo si Ben. Sumayaw din si May labas. Yun na nailipat ako, mga babae. Yan, mga babae. Sunod ang lalaki na sila. Lalaki naman. Magdadali kami sa akin yan. Ay,
Sorry.
sabi ko po, yan isa puro papraktik kita. Masayang kita. Sabi mo nga. Masayang kita. Masayang ako na kamo. Masayang kita. May nagpapraktis sa mga bodyguard lang. Ay, sige, makalakit ano ko lang. Hindi kita kayo. Dagkatakan mo, kay dito lang kami niya. Kamay tayo. Ay, sorry, may tao. May nakalad niya yan.
Pag lalaki, ako nasa bukan sa lalaki.
Agawan ko si Ben. Ma-practice yung ano, ma-practicean mga youth. Ay, sige. May yung si Ma'am sa instance.
Baga ni Medyo.
Nagipukan na nga yun.
Pagkalaban pa yung
Ako. Sabay! Hindi po, kalyo.
Dahil sa dito.
Ayun kami. At sa simbahan.
Ala! Ay! Sorry! Tagalay ko eh. Ungo na nga. Uy, bawang. Ay, sala na pero may pa.
Si Bella. Jadil pa. Ano ba yan? Ano nga maulan? Makulat agayin.
May marugi, ma'am.
Ganun man talaga ba yun? Kaya mo ganun ka.
Buda ko nakauba naman si tutay na
Kaya
hayo.
nga pansihon.
Yung burubuka ka na yun sa.
Ay, kailangan ka na? Kailangan ka na kaya? Dahil wala kang ngipin, so kayo yung kita. Galit na yan.
Ungo doon nga singkapot ko. May cellphone nga yan.
Hindi ko nito na.
Ang mga lalaki, pag mayroon bagason mo, inahalit nila. Mayroon sila ng palusin na. Ayaw, ito na. Nakalo nila, hindi rin nila.
Hali ang babalikot.
Magayon ko sarap.
Magayon sa pag...
Oo, sarap.
Ano yun, general practice ka mo, sulot na niluan. Sulot ko na yung costume. Pag general, di na.
Kaya kalo na lang. Ano? Doon ba na? Mga na. Pakakiyad mo tayo.
Ay, nakabi.
Ay, dahil sa Japan.
Ay, oo. Kaya sayang.
Hindi talaga.
niya ng bagmahan, men.
Na hindi ada ito.
Ang pare sa pagkakay.
Sabay pa ang pamaypay.
Ha?
Pamaypay pa sira.
Ano pa? Akay na yung ate. Pamaypay na ano pa.
Ano pa?
Ako na dun sa na yung pamaypay.
O, ada. Ano ito? Ano niya?
Dapat ko tan lalaki. Paras baga kasi sa'yo dyan na ano yung baklo na. Ito. Ano ho naman siya? Ay, di ba? Mura pa. Titaripon-tipon pa lang ada. Kayo nung ako din pero yata 90 kayo nun ako 85.
90 kain minan ulit sa sang gato. Yes.
Kapangayon ako ng bagkakay.
Ay, siyan!
Ay doon mga anak, junakis kumal. Gawin ko naman kay may bata ho.
Mas ay magtamaan ka sa bulag.
Thank you sa live.
may kilo-kilo pa man.
Ako na.
Patawag ko na.
Hindi lang. Nagdarayo, may labagat ka rin ka rin. Yung sinulong, magkaimaan ngirit-ngirit. Ay, gawin ng mga bata, nagkakaon na kita. Talaga.
Patungo naman na sila. watching. Oh my God. Hindi ka na ma-practice?
Ang panangod mo, paulian ito.